my nose is clogged. But I bet it's you, and I bet you smell really good today. It's just that I'm having a little trouble with my... I'm having trouble with my sniffer today. Oh, that sounds like Tutter. Come on. Oh, hello, Tutter.
Oh, hello, Bear. Hello. Hey, did you hear that wind? That huge wind? Wait, it shook the pictures right off the walls of my mouse hole. Right off the wall.
Oh, sorry, Tutter. That wind is me.
Huh?
See, I'm having a little trouble to...
What's that?
Thank you, Tutter.